The Life Sciences Hub Wales is a wholly owned subsidiary of Welsh Government. We understand the needs of health and social care and work with industry to identify solutions. BCB is another example of Welsh industry that has stepped up to respond to an industry call to support COVID activities.
In 1854, Dr. Brown, he was the founder of BCB. He invented this cough medicine, full of morphine, which is great, supplied to the troops in the Crimea War. And since then, we've now changed to making Dr. Brown's hand sanitizer. The Life Sciences Hub here in Wales have been absolutely brilliant. They've connected us to the Welsh NHS. We've done other products then for the NHS Wales. So ventilator bags we're making here, also PPE kits.
So the Life Sciences Hub will continue to work with BCB to support them to diversify their products and continue to support the NHS.